Firma Sileon jest firmą szwedzką i działa w obszarze płatności odroczonych, tak jak inna szwedzka firma, Klarna. Czym się różnią te dwie firmy? Czym się różni oferta obu firm?
Yes, Sileon is a Swedish company. Klarna is also a Swedish company, as you noticed. Klarna is what we call a BNPL provider. They are aiming for getting the consumer relationship, and also they are providing the complete payment method. Whereas Sileon, we are a tech company, and we provide the infrastructure for BNPL. As software infrastructure. Will never expose our brand. We provide infrastructure as a service for banks to launch their own buy now, pay later, specifically on cards.
Czyli można powiedzieć, że wasza firma konkuruje z Klarną nie bezpośrednio, tylko pośrednio przez banki, z którymi współpracuje.
That is very true. We equip others to compete with Klarna, and we equip banks specifically to launch buy now, pay later on their existing credit and debit cards. So no need for complex IT infrastructure projects such as building checkouts or payment methods.
Niektóre banki w Polsce samodzielnie wprowadzają płatności odroczone, jak na przykład Alior Bank. Więc pytanie brzmi tak, czym się wasza oferta, dlaczego wasza oferta może być atrakcyjna dla polskich banków?
Yeah, that's true, and that's actually one of the reasons that we and I are here in Poland today. We experience that the Polish banking sector is very in the front line in terms of tech. We also experience that some of the Polish banks actually have launched a similar, not the same, but a similar product, which we have not seen in the rest of Europe, which makes us, of course, specifically interested about the Polish market. Now, you mentioned one of the major Polish banks that they've launched an installment plans on their existing credit cards. The difference with Sileon is that we enable banks to launch a flexible buy now, pay later products on their existing credit, but also debit cards. When I say flexible on credit cards, it means that you can, using our functionality, change and tailor credit offerings based on where the consumer had purchased, the customer segment, risk-based pricing. You can also create credit products by various banking brands, markets, or if you, for example, have co-branded cards.
A co się zmienia, jeżeli chodzi o stronę klienta? Jeżeli klient korzysta z usługi, za którą wy stoicie, czy coś się zmienia w jego płatnościach?
I would say the difference is that the bank, the card issuing bank, has the possibility to create a nearly unlimited amount of various credit products, or that is buy now, pay later offerings that they can distribute to exactly that consumer that they want to do it for. When it comes to the consumer side, that means that the consumer can get a even more variety of installment products exposed in their banking app using our products than the existing products that they have on the Polish market today.
Na polskim rynku, jak rozumiem, są Państwo niezbyt długo. Pytanie jest takie, czy już jakieś banki wyraziły zainteresowania Państwa produktem, Państwa usługami?
That's very true. We are entering the Polish market as of this autumn now. And I would say the interest for buy now, pay later generally in banking sector is very large. Now all banks might not have decided which strategy they want to go. If they want to compete in the war in e-commerce together with a firm, Klarna, Afterpay, and some local Polish players, or if they want to add buy now, pay later on their existing card base. We are addressing the banks that want to launch BNPL on using the existing card base and existing customer relationships. And yes, we are talking and having dialogues with quite many actually, Polish financial institutions and banks that issued cards as of now.